I'm sorry, you guys, hold on. These are so good. Something that I'm very Hey, what's up everybody? Today's video will be a tutorial on the very first clip of the BuzzFeed video was showing me making, which was the Shea Butter leave-in conditioner whipped butter thing. I don't even know what to call it. I wanted to call it the leave-in conditioner because it has like a creamy consistency, but it is technically still whipped shea butter, but I feel like because I put aloe in it, it is now like a leave-in conditioner. But whatever you call it, it mainly consists of shea butter, even though I kind of did a quick tutorial on TikTok and on the BuzzFeed video, but I wanted to show a step-by-step video. So that's what we are doing today, but I do have an extra ingredient, well, a replacement ingredient that I wanted to use. So this is essential oil. It is like a hair growth essential oil serum. It consists of argan oil, like argan essential oil. Let me see what else it says. Argan essential oil, jojoba oil, there's vitamin E essential oil, safflower, and peppermint essential oil. So because the peppermint is so overwhelming, it is actually called peppermint. I don't even know what these things are at the bottom. I am very excited to try this out. If you've never used this, I've never actually used any type of essential hair growth oil before. I know that with oils like this, they definitely promote hair growth, especially whenever this is used daily. So I know that you're supposed to like put this on your scalp daily, and that whenever you do that, you would see really great results for your scalp, and you'll see hair growth. I've not opened this yet. Oh, it definitely smells like peppermint. Here. I cannot wait to try this. I'm gonna put this in the shea butter whipped leave-in cream thing that I'm gonna make today. We'll see how I like it. If you're looking to buy something like this, I will make sure to put a link in the description box. If I can find the exact product, I will link that as well. But I'll make sure to link that in the description box if you're interested in purchasing something like this. Let's get started. I'm sorry, you guys, hold on. These are so good. Okay, so here is what we're going to be using today. First, we'll have the African shea butter, the mango butter oil, the tea tree oil, which I barely have anything left, and the peppermint essential oil that I told you about. So you get the shea butter and scoop that all into a glass container. And I'm only scooping out a little bit because I really don't need that much. I still have some left over. And so now I'm putting my tea tree oil, which I only have like a couple drops left. So I should have chose a different oil, like coconut oil. But here's the mango butter oil, and I'm going to squeeze the mess out of this bottle. And then the peppermint hair growth oil. It really isn't an essential oil. It has essential oils in it, but it is hair growth oil. Now get a pot and fill it only like 1/4 of the way with water. So you can put the glass container with all the oils inside of it and turn on the stove to low heat. Now time to chop up some aloe. So I'm just gonna cut a little segment of aloe and make sure to chop off all the spikes and cut it in half, you know, everything that I usually do with my aloe. I want to get the center part of it without all the green stuff. But worship makes it beautiful. Yeah. I know life is hard. Okay. Yeah. But worship makes it beautiful.
Okay. Working on my fave like cardio. Jumping over evil like Mario. Taking off like adios. Loving God on the audio. Sometimes I be all down, but when I start to worship, my issues get meaning like Mighty Mo. You can cry with a snotty nose, or you can punch back. It's a fighting whole life.
All right, once you're done, pop those babies in the blender. And they look kind of weird. Looks like a silicone like beauty blender, but I also scrape off the leaf and then blend. Now all the oils are melted, and so I will use a stocking cap to filter through my aloe vera gel juice stuff. And you don't have to do it like how I'm doing it. You can pour it into a container first, but I was really lazy, so I just held the stocking cap in my hand and let it filter that way into the oil container. So I'm squeezing out all the aloe vera into the oils, and now I'm gonna mix everything together, and I'm going to take it out of the pot and continue mixing. I'm actually going to put this in the freezer for 30 minutes total, but every 10 minutes I'm going to go back to the freezer and mix. So in 10-minute intervals, mix the oils. And this is how it looks when it is done. Now I think for my freezer 30 minutes was too much, because look how hard that is. Like, I could not barely, I can't scrape anything. So I had to apply a whole lot of pressure to scoop this out of the glass container. But too frozen is better than not frozen at all. So once you're done with getting it off the bowl, then you scoop it into a bigger bowl that you can mix with, because you're going to use this hand mixer. And on the lowest setting, you would start mixing the solution, and it may take you a while, because it took me a while because of how frozen this is, but eventually it will turn out creamy, as you'll see. Yep, now it's creamy. And that pink liquid, that is actually the aloe. Apparently over time, when aloe ages, it will turn pink. So there it is. And any excess juices, you'll just, you could pour that into a different container. But look how creamy that is. Like, it is super creamy, which is exactly what you want. Okay, so now I'm gonna scrape all of this into my existing container where I keep my shea butter aloe mix thing. So here I am scooping it in there, and it was the perfect amount, exactly what my container could hold. So I'm pretty proud of myself for eyeballing this whole thing without measurements. I'm sorry guys that I don't measure. I kind of do things based off of my instincts, but look at it guys. Here's what it looks like when you refrigerate it. It is harder, but it will melt in your hand, and it's perfect for not only just your hair but your skin as well. And while you're watching, go right ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, so I am out of the shower. As you can see, my hair is very wet. Now I'm just going to put on some of my favorite leave-in conditioner, and then some of the Shea Butter Aloe Conditioner oil thing. So let me undo one of my twists. I'm just gonna put a bunch of my leave-in. Okay, so now that is all throughout my hair, it's probably harder now. Yeah, it's completely hardened because I put it in the refrigerator. That's how you keep this, is you put it in the refrigerator after each use. It makes it hard, but of course it will last you a whole lot longer if you put it in the refrigerator instead of just keeping it out. So I'm just gonna grab some, and this is a mix of some of what I made last time and what I made today. So you put it in your hand, it will dissolve when you rub it, kind of like, I don't know, it has like a creamy consistency, but it is still kind of oily, so that's why I don't know what to call this. That's exactly why I don't know. But yeah, you see, it's like, it's creamy, but it's oily at the same time. So I just put it all throughout my hair. And I also want to put it on my scalp as well. I'm done putting in the aloe infused whipped shea butter leave-in into my hair and also my scalp as well. My hair feels great, nice and moisturized, which is exactly what this little recipe thing does. What you can do throughout the week is if you have a really just like dry scalp like I do, you can just run it into your scalp. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comment section and I'll make sure to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. So I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day and thank you for watching. Bye.